Hey guys, I want to make a review video on an air filter. This is for your engine compartment. So this is going to filter your dust and give you that fresh air. These are pretty simple to replace your air filter. So to remove the air filter here, you've got one connection here. You just flip that back, one here, and then one here on the side. And then you can lift it up just like this. And let's pull out this old one. Pretty dirty in there. There's some junk in there. This possibly could just be blown out, but since I wanted to make a review video, we've got this new one. So let's pull this new one out of here and I can show you the difference. I can show you the difference in how clean it is and the quality of it as well. Okay, so there's a brand new one, same version. It's probably good to get rid of this one that has caught all this stuff. This is definitely a lot cleaner, but yeah, just pop that back in and you are ready to go. There's your air filter, your air area, the box, air box there. But yeah, really high quality made part, super durable and strong, gonna catch a lot of debris as well. But if you're looking for an air filter like this, can highly recommend, definitely pick up one of these.